My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we're talking about the Polygon Matic. What's the current price of the Polygon? What's the price change is occurring in the Polygon? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the Polygon Matic price prediction. Be safe from loss, friends. Now, as you know, the Polygon Matic price is going down, so wake up and be safe from loss, friends. Now, the Polygon Matic start falling down from the previous last 1 week. Let me show you, friends. Let's draw the price chart for a better understanding that what's going on this time. As you can see here, now the Polygon Matic price is going down. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day, and the whole chain is the last 1 hour and last 1 day price chain is negative. That's mean that the Polygon Matic's price is going down from the previous last 1 day, friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video and before seeing the more details about Polygon Matic, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, friends. Now if you look at the current price of the Polygon, so 1.7 USD dollar is the current price of the Polygon in the market at this time live latest. And only the last 1 week pricing is negative, except of this now the current time of the Polygon is going wrong, friends. Let's show you the price of the Polygon Matic of the last 24 hours. You can see here from the yesterday, as you can see in the previous time, as you can see here this time the jump soaker in the Polygon Matic. From the yesterday, the falling time of the Polygon starts now, in the Polygon falls down over and over, friends. As you can see here, friends. Oh my god, I think now this time if we look the current condition, the last 1 hour, so as you can see here now the gradually start moving upward. As you can see here, this curse, the curse occur in the Polygon Matic. So I hope that is the jumping idea of Polygon Matic, and I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. So I believe there is a lot of chances they take a jump in the future. If we look the cryptocurrencies market phenomena, so as I told you in my every videos, that after a fast there is a jump. Now this time fast occur, and now it's time to take a jump, friends. So after a fast there is a jump. And if you look the last 20 prices occur in the Polygon Matic, so negative 16.75% price changes occur in the Polygon, and 2.2 USD dollar is the current price of the, that is the highest price, that is the highest price of the Polygon in the 24 hours, friends. Now it's time, or what's your opinion? My personal suggestion for my viewers is that now, as you can see here, the curves tell us that maybe there is chances to take a jump at this time, friends, but we can't see about the future, and there is only chances to take a jump, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Polygon? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.